Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be trying out and testing out concealer from Fenty Beauty Bright Fix Eye Brightener review. Is this really going to brighten up your dark circles, guys? So if you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle. My passion is to create videos and provide makeup tutorials and reviews to help you enhance your beauty and save some money. So if you enjoyed videos like this, please smash that like button and subscribe, because it helps me create content like this and provide as much value for you. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. So if you guys wanted to join me, if you're looking for a new brightening concealer that actually going to help to brighten up your dark circles and to give you that fresh look, so make sure that you watch at the end of this video to find out if this Fenty Beauty Bright Fix brightening concealer is actually worth getting or not. In that way you'll be able to save some money. You can actually purchase this from Sephora. Here in Australia it's actually retail for $37, and in the US actually it retail for $25. And this actually come in 16 shades. The shade that I actually picked up is the 05, which is butter shade, and this actually come in 10 ml. Actually claiming on this brightening concealer, guys, it actually an under eye brightener that hydrates, brightens and blurs, okay, with a sheer to buildable coverage, and it's a long wear formula. Actually easy to dispense on the back of my hands, or like a full coverage to accidentally squeeze it, because the product actually does come out very quick. The It Cosmetic brush, which is the number 7, so I'm just using this end here. So what we're going to do, I've already prepped my skin, so I've already prepped my under eyes. Okay, so we're just gonna be dabbing a small amount at a time, and we're just gonna be applying one side first, so we'll be able to see the difference. Pigmented formula, so a little bit goes a long way. It is buildable. An instant brightening under my eyes, so I'm really happy. One side of my under eyes, Fenty Beauty Bright Fix concealer under my eyes, and the other side I haven't, so you guys be able to see the difference. So the Bright Fix has a serum like texture that instantly brightens and blurs with a crisp, humidity and sweat resistant formula, and contains jojoba oil to help condition delicate under eye skin. And the Hydro Blend Complex, full of hydrating ingredients, helps attract and hold moisture to the skin. Guys, I am really happy with this concealer. First, it's actually easy to use, and it's very pigmented. It glides in very easily, and it has a very lightweight formula, which is what I'm looking for in a concealer. So this is definitely a yes for me, guys. Recommended for you guys to check it out. If you haven't, actually a must try. Definitely worth getting. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please comment down below what video you want to watch next. And thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button. And please don't forget to click that notification bell, so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys.